Alright, what's going on, y'all? Y'all know what it is. It's Friday. And I got the munchies. But I ain't smoked no goddamn weed. I told you I don't smoke no more. But I still got the munchies. We finna see what's going on with one of these restaurants. Do a little taste test. See what their neck bones hit like. They turkey wings. Little old collard greens. We finna see what all this hit like. So I'm gonna come back at you in a few minutes. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. What's up? How y'all doing? Y'all ready to eat some damn neck bone? Chew on some collard green? Raw egg grizzles of the end piece of chicken? Well, let's get to it. Y'all, we finna see, y'all, as y'all can see, it's pretty big up in here. As you can see, this thing lit up in here. Let's get to it, y'all. We ain't gonna put everybody on the camera like that because everybody's so sensitive nowadays. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all. We up in here, y'all. See what I got. Look at this dish right here. You got beets. You got cucumbers, you got onions, you got tomatoes, you got vinegar. All this is good for your soul. When you working out, man, this is what you want to eat, man. Especially if you're a lookerhead. You got to eat these things, man. No matter how it tastes, you got your eggs in the corner. This is for y'all people that like that chicken and the potatoes that gonna help you sleep. Yeah, it's cool to eat this. It's cool to eat this, but make sure you eat this as well. You know, you gotta be balanced with this thing. We ain't gonna be crazy. Man, I'm up in this restaurant, man. Make sure y'all get out, treat yourself to a nice meal. Don't stay stuck in the house. Don't stay stuck on bozo material. You know, get out, do some things, man. It don't take a crowd. But this here, them beets, them cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, make sure you put that in your system, man. It's gonna help your blood. It's gonna help your cholesterol and everything. And just make sure you work out along with that. Because just eating this, because it tastes good, and not eating this, boy, me lady, you gonna find yourself in a world of trouble. Let's get to it. Good for the blood. We're the buffet. Y'all don't let the wrong one come to a buffet. I'm gonna tell you that now. Make sure you eat your vegetable, man. Let that be the first thing you eat. I be down, you rip me on. Alright, y'all, we finna get up out of here, man. I advise y'all to come here when y'all coming to Georgia. Make sure you come to Riverdale. Like I say, the vibe is good. The food is good, all you can eat. Bring your trash bag, cause these folks ain't checking. Bring your trash bag, man. Load up on them goddamn wing, boy. I'm telling you. Load up on them damn wing, boy. Load up on them damn wing, boy. Let's see where we at, man. Where the hell we at? We in Riverdale, I know that, but what restaurant this is? Let's see what it is, man. Let's see what it is. Okay, okay. We got the New City Buffet, big. Man, let's get out of here, man, and go to the house, man. I done loaded up on they retarded boy.